No. Fucking tornado wave. That is hail.
I think we should go with like pass through it, no? You know? Yeah, just keep your blinkers on. There you go. Take it easy. Going through a Arizona hailstorm.
Strong wind.
Oh, in the front? Maybe your license?
Huh?
Maybe your license?
Alright, let's turn the wipers off. Drive fast. Well, we should start driving reverse, maybe? If that's how you like it, let's go.
Let's take the phone out and videotape.
Do it. Te digo, pinche selfish. You didn't believe me, he was selfish.
Yeah, we stopped the race. Are we like thinking in a phone here?
No, we're going on the ramp. This phone's so badass, I bet you I can take it on the rain and it'll still survive.
Yeah, right. Let's try it.
I don't want to make your phone feel bad here. Yeah, day and night.
Wow.
I don't want to overwhelm you with the awesomeness of this phone.
Okay.